Pacsun has been running some absolutely crazy holiday sales on their website. That's why I decided to cop a bunch of dope stuff. I'll be reviewing everything, showing you guys the quality and how it fits, so that by the end of the video, you'll be able to decide whether or not you guys should buy something for yourself. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so here's everything that I got all laid out. What I'm going to do is I'll start from left to right. I'll try everything on and then give you guys my thoughts on each item. So let's start with this Yellowstone beanie. Alright guys, so here's the Yellowstone beanie. What do you guys think? I feel like it's a little bit too big. In order to get this thing to fit properly, I have to roll this flap all the way up, which kind of looks stupid. I don't know, let me know what you guys think. It's not too bad in my opinion, but I really just bought the beanie because I'm a Yellowstone fan. I absolutely love that TV show and it was on sale for like $5, so I decided to get it. So now moving on to the gray sweatpants, I'm actually really enjoying these. I really love how tapered the legs are and they fit me much better than my old pair of gray sweatpants. Being an athlete myself, I really like wearing athleisure clothing, so this is definitely up my alley. And I also really like the cuffed bottoms. These are a nice touch. Now I can already hear people asking me,
why did you buy so many socks?
Just look at how cooked these are. I mean, I got stains, I got holes on the bottom, which I'm not gonna show. I got like dirt. So I've just been needing new socks and this was on sale for like $20, which is a great deal, especially for polo socks. Yellowstone socks, of course. And I got these socks just for a variety of color. I've been wanting different colored brown socks so I can match some of my shoes better. If it ain't a foreign, it's boring. This is a pretty dope sweatshirt. I really love the graphic and it's actually pretty comfortable, but the outside is made of kind of like a rough cotton and it's supposed to be a vintage wash, but they got this like white line going down my sleeves, like both of them. So I don't understand what that's for. It's a little bit irritating, but overall I'm actually liking the quality and I think the graphic looks dope. I forgot to mention it earlier, but just for reference, I'm 6 feet tall and everything I bought was in a size medium. But now moving on to this denim jacket, I'm really enjoying it. The sleeves fit me perfectly and I just love how it looks aesthetically. This corduroy collars are a really nice touch and I think it breaks up the jacket well. But yeah, denim jacket I think is something everyone should have in their closet. It adds an element of layering and it just has a really cool aesthetic to it. I can't explain it, it looks cool. And now we got this corduroy puffer jacket and this thing is awesome. I think it fits me really nicely. I like the plaid different blues, the navies and the blacks. I think it works really well together. I think with the right outfit, this jacket's gonna look great. And the materials feel really nice too. I feel like it's a good quality corduroy. You got a really silky interior and it's a pretty comfortable jacket to wear. You also got a foldable collar, which is pretty cool as well. And that's kind of more of a refined look in my opinion. Now moving on to this flannel Sherpa. I feel like this jacket really spoke to me because it's something similar to what my grandpa used to wear. So on top of just liking Sherpa and flannel, it kind of feels sort of nostalgic to wear this, even though it has nothing to do with my grandpa. But on a lighter note, I really like the comfort and the quality of this jacket. It fits me really nicely, and one detail that I also liked was that it has really nice quality metal buttons that just pop together. Brown and green are also just two of my favorite colors, so I'm really happy about this jacket. And lastly, we got this Dodgers snapback. Like I mentioned before, brown and green are two of my favorite colors, and I thought that it would match perfectly with this jacket, and I think it does. I'm not really a big Dodgers fan, but I had to get it for the colors. And also check this out. This main part of the hat is made out of corduroy, and the tongue of the hat is made out of this like fuzzy felt material. It feels like a really good pickup. I only bought it for like 25 or 30 bucks and I'm happy with how it looks. I definitely could put together some really nice outfits with this. And just as a quick side note, I've been getting into caps recently, so if you have any suggestions, please let me know in the comments below what I should get next. Overall, I think this was a successful haul and I'm excited to put together some dope outfits with everything I got, but yeah. If you've made it this far into the video, you must be enjoying the content, so I'd really appreciate it if you leave a like. It helps out my channel a lot. I've also linked everything that I've bought in this clothing haul in the description. Keep in mind that some of those things may not be on sale anymore. And also remember that I'm not sponsored by Pacsun, at least not yet, so none of those links are affiliates and I'm not sponsored to promote their stuff. Lastly, I want to keep giving you guys more sneaker and outfit inspiration to help you look your best, so make sure to subscribe. That way you'll never miss an upload. But yeah man, with all that being said, remember, a blessed day and stay clacking. Peace.